1944 that more than 13,000 aircraft participated. It goes down in history as the largest air, sea, and ground, we call it an invasion, but really it was a liberation in order to uphold the German stronghold on the country of France. Our pilot today, Francois, a French pilot, a volunteer with the CAF, and he takes a great deal of pride in flying this aircraft that helped liberate his country of France. But those invasion stripes, with so many aircraft in the air at any given time as part of that invasion, there was a great concern of what was called fratricide, or the accidental firing on a friendly target. So they decided to take some barn paint. They found a couple of brooms and they actually painted these big invasion stripes. They went on to be known as D-Day markings and on the sides of the aircraft, and that helped distinguish friend versus foe during that invasion back in 1944. In just a moment, we're going to be listening to the sounds of the C-47. Ladies and gentlemen, lifting off now, it's the Douglas C-47 Skytrain. That's all, brother. As it works to approach and recover on runway 15. Some 11,758 feet of tarmac out there for the C-47. Plenty of room indeed, as you have to remember, many of these aircraft actually operated off of grassed airstrips in Europe, only supported with some metal plating on the ground to give it a suitable landing or takeoff location. Also joining the C-47 into our aerobatic box is another legendary aircraft of World War II, and that is the North American B-25 Mitchell bomber. It is known as Yellow Rose, and also joins us from the Commemorative Air Force. There's a great shot for your cameras there of both of the aircraft as they pass. More than 10,000 C-47s went on to be built, and it goes without question as being just the iconic airplane. It has so much